Good morning, everyone. So it's approximately 9:31 a.m. and I wanted to do a market open versus market close. This is something new since, hey, why not, right? So this is on the Cashapp platform. Definitely make sure that you subscribe and also make sure that you turn on your post notifications. These videos usually go up every Tuesday, sometimes Wednesday. I may transition over to Wednesday now that the summer is coming on, but we shall see. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. And let's see. So let's move down. I did go ahead and order some more stuff. I did it kind of like I was a little impulsive when I did it, to be honest. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you before I go ahead of myself. There is a coupon code down below, like a little link that y'all can use to get $5 free on your first like anytime you use Cash App for the first time. So that's pretty cool. It also gives me some little change as well, for referring you. So now, like I was saying, I was kind of a little impulsive. Maybe what day was that? Maybe like Friday, or I think it might have been Friday evening or so. I usually don't really look at it, but I kind of was curious because of everything that was going on with like AMC. I just kind of wanted to look and see what was going on, and I was like, you know what? I want to get some more stuff. I didn't buy any more AMC here, but I did get some more AMC on Robinhood. But look at this right now, y'all. It says that we're in the positive. We're actually gaining $50.24. This is like the first time in a long time that I can honestly say that I'm like actually positively gaining. Well, not today, but I think it started like last week. That's when I finally saw like, okay, my total gains are actually in the positive side. So this is great news. I'm excited to see, where everything goes. And yeah, we shall see what happens. So let's go ahead and see what our gains are looking like. First off, we have AMC leading the way right now. It's actually literally just open. So we'll see when I do the comparison later on tonight what it's really looking like. But it looks like right now I have gained $49.27 here. And I only invested $22.53. So that's actually pretty damn good. I think I had ordered like 6 things, maybe 5 over the weekend. So they're all starting to come in now. My orders are being processed because I'm not sure if you guys know, but as you see right here, it says the market was closed for Memorial Day. I learned that I think last year that the markets close just like a business. Like it closes on holidays and it also closes on weekends. The only thing that I believe you can still buy, like after hours or anytime, is Bitcoins, which I do on Robinhood sometimes. But as far as investing into regular stocks, you can only do, I mean, you can do it anytime, but it's not going to go through until the market opens, and you can always cancel it if you change your mind, which I actually did several times. I'm like, well, do I really want this? I'm like, nah, let me not do it. So American Airlines were up $7. Like everything else is kind of small in comparison to where AMC is at. Like even while we're talking right now, as you see, it's actually going up. American Airlines, $7.93. So I've gained a little bit of pocket change there. Ford, I've definitely gained there as well. $7.41. So I did put in a whole, $42.40. So, I think I actually put more that just probably went through. Yeah, I just put in another extra $20 into there. And Terra Resources, JetBlue, Tilray. Oh, it looks like Tilray. I don't remember their logo looking like that. Did they change their logo? It seems like they did. So yeah, $4.71. I remember when they used to be my winner. Like I always say that. Moderna, $3.56. Tesla, $1.71. Lee Auto, $1.35. The Cheesecake Factory, 97 cents. And I only put $3 into that. So I'm not surprised that it's not like an amazing, gain or whatever. Hanes brand, I still have them. They're still doing okay. I actually have a full stock in them. This is like I always say this is like the toss up one for me. Like, I don't know. That was like I'm gonna just do it. One of those types of things. And it's actually starting to work out. It was kind of on the negative side for a while. And I was kind of even like, do I really want this? Which is kind of the same way I felt about like Nokia, because Nokia was negative for they had a really good run for maybe like 2 weeks or so. And then like they just started failing badly. But now they're back decent. So back to this. Let's see. We got Apple. I barely got anything. I just put in an extra $5 into there. I only had $1 in there. So, but we're gaining on there as well. So let's see. I put in some money into Xpeng. I put in almost a whole share. But we are gaining, so that's good. Like I said, like it's good to do it on a drop or whatever when it dips, because then like, okay, I'll most likely make money once it goes back up. Like I just got Hexo, and that was probably a bad move, but luckily it was only $7.30 that I put in there, so we'll see what happens. See, at Friday at one point it was, kind of up there, so it has potential to come back. It probably would have been better off if I would have waited until it was at a lower dip. So that one might be a bad move, but we'll see what happens. Another one that we got is Enphase. We're losing. We've been losing for a while, but hey, I only invested $12 out of a possible $144.74 stock. So, it's not terrible. Plug Power, I did go ahead and get them back. Well, actually, I was going to put more money, but then I realized that it was kind of high already, so I didn't put any more money in there. So I'm kind of happy because it is losing quite a bit. So yeah, I was going to do it on Saturday, but then I changed my mind. Okay, so Figs. This is another one. I literally just got this one. Might have been a bad move because, it's losing money already. And I literally just got this one. I should have kind of waited until the market opened so I could see where it was at so that I could prevent myself from losing money. But it's all right. We'll live. Chronos Group, still not doing the best. Still kind of losing money on that one. Losing $1.55. This kind of sucks. Virgin Galactic, we've been losing with this one, but I mean, it's only out of a possible $4. Now, Aurora Cannabis losing $2.38, but we still see that they could come up, and right now they're up 2%, so it could still come up. We'll see what happens when the market closes when we conclude this video. Neo right now, $16.49 loss. I think that's actually good. I think it was in the 20s before, so I feel like they're coming back up. I feel like the share price for a while was, let's see, was it? Yeah, it's been in the 30s. So it's right now it's at the $41.20. So it's coming back up. So that's a good sign. Canopy Growth. Are they coming back up? I invested $54 and they're fluctuating, but they're not really, they've been down for a while. But they've come up compared to where they were, so it's a little something. It's a little bit of a positive direction, so we'll see. All right, we will come back and conclude this video later on today after the market closes. Okay, so it is after hours right now. The time is actually 7:14 p.m. So let's see what the market is looking like. So right now we're at $501.18. As you guys know, I did go ahead and get a few new stuff. I added a few more stocks over the weekend, and this is the end result. So let's see. So we have gained some money in the long run. We've gained about $44.72. Our biggest earner right now is AMC, and we have gained a total of $54.72. And our current total right now is $77.25. So that is pretty awesome. We also have, as you see, American Airlines. We have Ford, $7.84, Intero Resources, $7.09. And I have seen that a lot of resource and oil places and petroleum, they have been doing well for the past few days. So I guess that's something to think about. Tilray, $3. Okay, so now Tilray's logo looks correct. When we looked at it earlier, it was looking a little janky. It was like white. So I don't know what was up with that. Maybe they were thinking about switching. I don't know. You guys can tell me if you know. Moderna, we've gained $3.83. Cheesecake Factory, 95 cents. Lee Auto, 85 cents, which is good because I remember it was on a decline not too long ago. Hanes Brand, 76 cents. Xpeng, 68 cents. I'm happy that Xpeng is really coming up. So that is good because I remember I was a little worried when I first got them. I'm like, oh my gosh, did I make a mistake? Dave & Buster's, we got 45 cents. You know, people are getting their entertainment back on. Domino's, 40 cents. Nokia, 36 cents. Apple, 32 cents. As y'all know, well, you may or may not know, I did go ahead and buy $5 more, just to do it. I know Apple seems to do well most of the time, to be honest. They're just something that's normal, like a lot of people have, I feel. General Motors, 17 cents. Nikola, I wasn't too sure about Nikola because it was looking like it might hit a low point, but right now it's at 11 cents. I think this is the second time I'm buying them, actually. Yeah, because I did buy them back in January, and then I sold them in February because they weren't doing well or something like that, and now I got them back. So Southwestern Energy, see how I told you that the energy stuff, so that's why I ended up getting it. It was in the recommended, and so far it's doing pretty damn well. Well, pretty good. Got 11 cents. So I mean, that's something. To me, every gain is a gain. Hexo, that was one that I did get. It was a little impulsive, and we'll see if it comes back. We shall see. This is another cannabis company. I don't know why I'm still trying with these cannabis companies. I just feel like there's something there, you know? Plug Power. That was one that I already had $1. I was actually going to get more of it over the weekend, but then I was looking at the graphs and I was kind of studying, and I'm like, I don't think it would be a right time to do it if I was. So yeah, that's why I ended up not getting it. And Face Energy, it has potential. I mean, I didn't put a whole bunch of money into it. Only $12 out of a possible $139 share. So, it's whatever. So this is another kind of partially impulsive buy, but not really because it was recommended. But, it's always good to get it on the dip, which I didn't get. I wasn't even thinking about this until today. So I got it. I said, what the heck? We'll see what happens. So far, I've lost almost $1. So we'll see if it goes higher. I mean, I think it's a new company. From what I read, it's a scrubs company. So they definitely have potential because healthcare, hello. And they may also move into other things, they said. And then we have Virgin Galactic, nothing has really happened in space right now that I know of. Like, there's some news circling around it, but nothing really like stuck as yet. Chronos Group, I guess they had a high point, but or close to, you know, where I started at. Not even, like, still would have been low. But yeah. And Aurora Cannabis, they're actually like, well, no. We've lost $2.98, but it looks like they're trying to make their way back. They're trying. Like, they're up compared to like May. So we'll see. Those are just holds for me, to be honest. Like I always say, Neo is on a rise, yo. Cause they was doing pretty damn bad. Like, I think I was like at a total gain of, well, I should say loss of like $30 before. Now it's at 15. So they coming back. They coming back. I'm watching. Make me proud, Neo. And Canopy Growth, we are right here at 24.28. We're coming a little closer. We shall see what happens. We shall see. But yeah, that's pretty much the comparison of what I had earlier versus what I had now. You can always go back and check, you know, see how it's looking. But I'm pretty sure we did gain some money in AMC. Yeah, we did gain some money in AMC, which is great. You know, and sometimes you'll have a really big like gain or growth throughout the day. Sometimes it'll take a whole week. I guess we'll see what happens next week. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.